days. Like, why have you even decided joining Geek Academy?
Yeah, sure, Michael. So basically, just to give a small background, we're now 20 people agency, and we keep on growing. And we are hiring not just senior recruiters, but most of our hires are actually junior recruiters, right? So these are people with 1 to 2 years of experience, maybe in the recruitment agency or as an HR. And I just noticed that the IT, technologies is not that easy to comprehend. Yeah, of course there are many resources in internet, Wikipedia, right? But still, what I've noticed that some things people don't really understand on the fundamental level, because I think for recruiters we don't need to actually go very deep, but we have to understand the basic things. And I saw that it's a challenge for me to bring people to the level I would like them to be, because we sort of want to become a consultant partner for our clients. And that's why we were looking for solutions. And then I received email message from you. I think I ignored it first time, and then in 3 months I came back to it. And yeah, that's basically how we joined. Right now, we've been with you, I think, for 4 weeks, maybe a bit longer, and I'm very happy, very satisfied, because I see the progress on my recruiter side. I also learned a lot myself, and I would say that I was skeptical a little bit about the idea of trainer, because I thought that maybe YouTube and Wikipedia can replace everything. But now I see that actually having a person coming from the industry explaining you things is actually the best solution, right?
And even the training plan, right? Because with you, it's not just about access to the online academy, right? With the courses, but what we do actually with your team is we also have these live training sessions bi-weekly.
Yeah, exactly. Because one thing is it's like with language. There's passive words, active words, and with knowledge understood, it's the same thing. And if we want to sort of to bring the knowledge into sort of daily use by recruiters, then we have to, of course, talk about them maybe 1 or 2 times. And I like also that you have some sort of exercises at the end, because you know how it is. We can listen to videos, everything is fine, but as long as we need to reproduce the knowledge, it's getting complicated. So and I believe that as recruiters we need to educate ourselves, and of course we have to know the basics.
And what I actually liked about one of our sessions is that the recruiters were really prepared. They they asked really great questions, even tougher questions than I expected. So
yeah, because I mean, you know how it is. It's like the more you know, the more you understand that you don't know. I think they say it like this, right? But yeah, of course, curiosity creates even more curiosity, and what I've noticed also, that people actually changing the attitude. They're having more fun at work, because when they understand actual things that they are talking about with developers, and they can straight away, after videos, they can check, prove their knowledge, and also for me as the business owner, I'm not coming from IT. I don't have an IT background. That's why basically I'm learning with my recruiters, and I also understood. I also learned a lot, and I also using the knowledge straight away when I talk to clients, for example. And I saw for myself a tremendous value add, because especially some things at the beginning, there are these methodologies, right? As a recruiter, probably you would not pay too much attention, because sort of everyone is working with Agile, everyone is working with Scrum. But I think this is a good starting point. For example, when you want to talk about the experience in group, like priorities of the candidate or a client, I think these sort of basic things are very important. It's like math, right?
Yeah, so true. You need to have a broad overview. Even these basic terms, we put quite a lot of pressure on these fundamental topics. So it's great that you stress these aspects. And I'm wondering, what would you say to someone on the fence about joining? Say someone on the other side of the world. You are based in Germany, but what would you recommend to someone who is, say, in Hungary or Slovakia?
I guess Hungary, Slovakia, as far as I know, they're also quite active, quite hot markets for the IT professionals. We also had a couple of clients there, and since the basically demand on client side, I think, is more or less the same, I would definitely recommend them to join, to try your courses. And at the end of the day, it's investment in education, right? So that's on my side. I mean, I was also skeptical at the beginning because there are like so many free things, and here you have to pay. But now I'm actually truly satisfied.
Cool. Thanks a lot.
And also, when you pay money, then of course you're more inclined to learn, because we're adults, and you need to push children often to learn, with like exams, with like homeworks. And as an adult, it's sometimes much harder to learn new things, especially when you don't understand. And based on my experience, I came around to so many recruiters that actually work 2, 3, 5 years in a profession. I mean, IT technical recruiters, and they still don't know many things, which is sort of embarrassing, right?
The basics, you mean the basics?
The basics, right. I mean, some people don't know actual. Yeah, I think you should cut this part, but we don't know anything. Right?
Well, they don't know the fundamentals. Like everyone knows something, but as soon as the fundamentals are not there, it's just the technical people, developers, they can spot it immediately, and that's where the friction between developers and recruiters comes from, right?
Yeah, and I'll tell you that the competition is quite tough. There are many recruiters, many agencies, and now also companies are creating their own recruitment teams. So the competition is definitely there, and if you want to stay on top, if you want to sort of build the higher commission than others, we need to also provide better value. And of course, for clients, it's also more interesting to talk to recruiters who actually understand than to talk to someone who has absolutely no idea. And that's. I also read the other day the idea actually about the company as the sort of university, or like companies that create the culture of constant learning. So it's definitely sort of should be beneficial for the employees. Now, if we're talking like to company owners, right? How you motivate your employees also by making them learn, even pushing them to learn, because everyone is going to be thankful.
Yeah, we are also big fans of continuous learning here at Geek Culture, because in IT, technologies just evolve, so we need to keep up the pace with technologies. All right, cool. Thanks a lot for your kind words and recommendation, and I hope we will have a chance to work with your recruiters in the future. It's been great fun so far.
Yeah, cool. Sure, Michael. There are more newcomers to join our company in the next months, so definitely they would need your support.
Wonderful. Cool. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Michael. Bye-bye.
Bye.